Thank you, Ignacio, President Roque, dear IOC members, ladies and gentlemen. I have the chance to speak to many of you in private conversations, and also in our presentations in St. Petersburg and in Lausanne. It's fun. So let me tell you a little more about my beautiful hometown. And frankly, Madrid is one of the most comfortable, charming and inviting cities in the world. And frankly, in Madrid's parks, its food, its art, feel at home. The Olympic Games, no one celebrates life like Spanish people do. Relaxing cup of café con leche in Plaza Mayor, or these experiences and so much more are the heart and soul of Madrid. In Madrid's parks, its food, its art, its food, its art. Madrid also offers you a city full of culture, fun and welcoming people. The magic of Madrid is real and we want to share it with all of you. Muchas gracias.